Is your site hacked and being used to sell drugs like Viagra, Cialis, or Levitra? This is called the WordPress Pharma hack or the WordPress Viagra hack. It can be very weird and frustrating situation to be in. But don't worry, I've got your back. If you're new here, my name is Julian and I work at BlogVault, which helps over 1 million sites with flawless backups. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the Pharma hack, conduct damage control, and prevent it from happening again. You can use the chapters below to navigate this video. Let's quickly first cover what the Pharma hack is and what it does to your site. In the Pharma hack, your website is hijacked and injected with malware like this, so that hackers can use your site to illegally sell pharmaceutical drugs. The consequences of this are ugly. You will experience some major backlash on your WordPress website, such as a big drop in the search engine rankings, high bounce rates as visitors get redirected to other sites, Google blacklist warnings on your website. Check the video linked above to get rid of such warnings. Web host suspensions, high cleanup and recovery costs, a major decline in brand reputation. Basically, the Pharma hack can cause significant financial losses and may even cripple your business in the long run. The only way to escape is to take action quickly. So let's get into it. Number 1. Scan and clean Pharma hack from site. There are 3 ways to fix the WordPress Pharma hack. Scan and clean using a plugin, which is the easy way. Scan and clean manually, which is the hard way. And outsourcing to security experts, which is the expensive way. We're going to cover each of these one by one. Number 1. Scan and clean using a plugin. Security plugins are not all the same because they each have their own mechanisms for detecting malware. Popular plugins like WordFence are known for false positives and too many alerts, whereas Sucuri doesn't do a good job of detecting malware at all. As of now, there are only 2 deep malware scanners that are actually effective: Malcare and WordFence. You can check out a detailed comparison between Malcare and WordFence in the video linked above. As a summary, I'd say that WordFence often comes with quite a few false positives and is expensive, whereas Malcare is significantly more accurate and cost effective. That's why I'd recommend using Malcare. Once you've run the scan with Malcare, the next step is to clean it. All you need to do is click a button, auto clean, and that's it. Your site will be malware free in less than 60 seconds. Scan and clean manually. Unlike using a plugin, manual scanning is neither straightforward nor quick. We highly recommend that you avoid scanning manually, especially if you have no idea about WordPress, PHP, HTML, and JavaScript. Just remember, hacks are hard to find even for professionals. Even if you are a skilled developer, comfortable with the idea of rummaging around WordPress files and folders, it takes a long time to find any hack. If you're adamant on the manual cleanup, check the link in description. I'll add a detailed article to walk you through it step by step. But remember, whether you choose to clean your site with a plugin or manually, always take a backup first. WordPress websites are prone to crashing if you make a single mistake. Outsourcing to security experts. The next best option to using a security plugin is to get a malware removal service to do it. Here's a list of WordPress experts who provide really dependable service. They are well known for their expertise. However, please keep in mind that they may assign you a slot based on their availability, so you may have to wait a few days before you get a resolution. Additionally, malware removal services can be much more expensive because they charge per cleanup. Since they do not guarantee against reinfection, these costs can rapidly become prohibitive. You'll also find vendors on Fiverr, but I would not recommend them due to a lack of reliability. Number 2, damage control. Now here are a few things you need to do for damage control. I've listed them here in order of priority. Remove unauthorized users from Google Search Console. Go into your Search Console and you should be able to remove them easily. If there are unauthorized owners added, the removal process is a little bit more complicated. I'll link an article below to help you through it. Clean all the caches to remove any cached copies of your website that may still contain malware. Reindex site and resubmit clean sitemap. Reach out to your site visitors to reassure them and to repair the damage the malware has caused to your brand. Clear and transparent communication is the way to go and will help you regain trust. These are only a few security measures. For a more comprehensive and enduring list, we recommend reading the article on WordPress hardening that I've linked below. There are 3 pillars to WordPress security: detection, removal, and prevention. Prevention is arguably the most important in the long term because not having a hack is vastly better than having to deal with that. In the next section, we will look at how to prevent the Pharma hack from infecting your site again. Preventing the Pharma hack in the future. The important thing to do now is to plug any loopholes in your website security. Here are a few things you need to do to protect your website from hackers. Install a security plugin which has daily scans, automatically cleans malware, and has a firewall to protect your website. Change all the passwords, including user passwords, database, and SFTP passwords. Force reset all the user accounts. Review plugins and themes and remove ones that aren't in active use. If you have null plugins or themes before, get rid of them entirely. Update everything. WordPress plugins and themes. Updates address vulnerabilities, which are the biggest reasons websites get hacked. Implement SSL. Invest in regular backups as they can be a lifesaver when things go sideways. WordPress security is an ongoing process rather than a one-time activity. A good strategy is to have a plan in place to review things like users, activity logs, passwords on a regular basis. Here are the key takeaways from this video. There are 3 ways to fix the WordPress Pharma hack. Scan and clean using a plugin, which is the easy way. Scan and clean manually, which is the hard way. Outsourcing to security experts, which is the expensive way. We recommend using a plugin like Malcare to do this. conduct damage control, take preventive measures, and that's it. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you liked it, please do hit that subscribe button because that really motivates us and it's free. I'll see you again next week. Take care. Have a great day.